Okay, so this video is about accessing variables in classes, and really following the ideas of encapsulation, we want to completely internally hold the information, or hold the data I should say, and allow that to be accessed only in terms of a result. So we don't want the internal variables to be known or understood outside unless they relate to a specific result. So if I'm basically saying, originally we had public and we were just manipulating hours in week, this is really not a very good way of doing this, so we should make this private, which means it can only be accessed in this class. And following the ideas of encapsulation, we only want these variables to be understood here. And what I want the outside world to know, I use the word public, and in the outside world I just want to say I want to determine what are the hours in the week, or I want to set the hours in the week. So I'm going to just call this, let's just say hours with a capital in week, and then we use get, and I just say return, and then the private name here, hours in the week. And that, a lot of times that would be underscored to show as private. And to set the variable, and then setting that to a number of hours in a week. So hours in the week. And that's just in C#, that's just called double. Right, so that's, sorry, a value I mean. So we therefore have this arrangement where we get and we set to the value which is defaulted. So when I now want to use this method, I've got HW already from earlier codes. What we can do is we can read what's called refract here, refract, and then extract to a oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to put this into some code to refract testing. Just because these signs get crowded. So what I'm we've got HW defined, and I can then say hours in the week equals 50. We don't need this anymore. And then to access the hours in the week, I'm going to be able to read it. So double hours in the week. So what this shows is that I can define hours in a week as 50 using the set here, and then I can use the get to bring back the value. So at the end of this code we should have hours in the week equal to 50. got an error here. What's this? Okay, we don't. This is all old code, so we don't need this now. So hours in the week is 50 there. Okay, so that what we can do, just to sort of emphasise this, I think might be useful, is we can step through just to show that's been set. I'm not sure if it's going to. We can step here. So you can see there it's setting hours in the week equals value, and then we're getting it there. And what we're doing here is we're making this private, and we're actually updating hours in week with a private. So therefore we wouldn't be able to directly access that due to its private state.